Today we are checking out 3 model homes in Ekko View Estates subdivision here in Cedar City, Utah. We're going to see different layouts, different floor plans, different price points, so that you have a good idea of what it is like to live in Ekko View Estates. Stay tuned because the 3rd model home is my absolute favorite and I think the best layout out of all of the homes in that subdivision. Let's go check out the 1st model home in Ekko View Estates.
Starting off on our home tour today, the first model home we're going to check out is this 1,700 square foot home. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, fully landscaped in the front yard, 2-car garage. So let's take a look at it. As you walk in, good entryway. Just off of the entryway, you have your master bedroom and bathroom. In here you have plenty of open space. You have a large 3 windows so you can see out to the front yard, and it brings in a lot of beautiful natural light. Other than that, attached, like I said, is the master bathroom. It's small, it's easy to take care of. That's really what is so nice about these homes. They're professional, but they're so small, so it's easy to keep up. Single vanity. Over here you have your walk-in closet with beautiful tile backsplash and your walk-in closet right there. So it does look small, which it is, but that's the whole point. It's a lot smaller and easier to take care of than a lot bigger home. Continuing through the home, past the hallway, you have your 2-car garage, as I said. So spacious 2-car garage, good for space, good for cars if you just want it for cars as well. So that is an excellent feature in a home this size. Now, the biggest highlight of this house is this huge room, which is the highlight. Like I said, you have your living room over here, which is massive. There's so much space. You can put a couch over here with an ottoman, a table. Over here is your dining area. And in a home like this, it's 1,700 square feet, but there's just a lot of space for a huge dining room table. And tucked in the corner, out of the way of everything, but it still just kind of hits you in the face, is your kitchen. You have beautiful granite countertops, darker color wood on the cabinets, which is really nice. All new appliances, gas range and stovetop. Pantry here in the corner for extra space. But again, it's really nice for a home of this size, and it doesn't take up too much of room, but you have all of this other room that you get to enjoy for your guests, for your family, or even just for you. Now in the back of the home, we have the rest of it. We have the other 2 bedrooms, as well as the other bathroom and the laundry room. So right here, laundry room, got some shelving right there, 2 spots for your washer and your dryer. Over here, your first bedroom. Again, these aren't super spacious, but that's why they're so easy to take care of. But you have a good sized closet here as well, which is super nice. And then the other bedroom is just the same. Let's go check out that, as well as the bathroom. Again, the bathroom is just how you want it to be. Single vanity, toilet, shower, and bathtub with, again, the beautiful tile backsplash. And finally, the last bedroom, similar to the other one we just saw. Pretty decent. And another closet. So again, this is smaller. The living space is a lot bigger than the other model homes that we're going to see. But if you want to have the extra space in this area and take away from the bedrooms and bath, then this is a perfect model. Okay, now we're in the 2nd model home. This one is a little bit smaller. It's just over 1,400 square feet, but still has 3 beds and 2 baths. We're starting off in the living area here. So again, it's still very big. It has a lot of room for your couch and your dining area and everything. But what's really nice is the windows right here. It's just a different kind of look. It's not in a lot of homes. You'll put your TV right there, but you have plenty of space to hang out. Your exit to Your backyard is right there as well. But this is a good sized living area for a lot smaller home. Okay, now just down the hall we have the master bedroom. Now what you're going to notice from this one is that it's, again, a little bit different from the bigger model that we just saw. A little bit different shape. You'd probably have to put your bed right here. But again, you have really nice windows, provides a lot of good natural light. A little bit smaller master closet as well. It's not technically a walk-in, but there's a good amount of space right there. And as well as your master bathroom. Again, a little bit smaller, but it has good finishes, good lighting, a really nice shower. This one's not a walk-in, so it has the bathtub as well, if that's important to you. So just a little bit more condensed, but it has all the features that you need. Have a good sized bed, not a lot of space to take care of. It has everything you need. Okay, now off of the living room area right there where we started in, we have the kitchen as well as the laundry room. The laundry room's just tucked in this door here so you can't see it, but washer and dryer right there, a little shelving. But close that door off and you have the rest of the kitchen. You have your pantry right here, which is a really good size for this house. And just the color difference, you know, the last one we had a lot darker colors. We had the brown. This one is all white. And even the walls, so it's a lot brighter, a lot lighter. So it depends on kind of what you're going for. If you like the darker, if you like the whiter, the styles of the cabinets and the islands are the same, but the color is really important. You're going to be seeing this every single day. So what color do you like? But overall, the finishes are really good. The color is really good. So this is a good sized kitchen for this 1,400 square foot home. Okay, moving on to the back of the house. Like I said, it has 2 more bedrooms. And these bedrooms, I feel, are a little bit bigger than the last model we just saw. So the master's a little bit smaller, but these bedrooms, I don't know, they just feel a little bit bigger. Maybe it's just because the home is a little bit smaller, but even the closets, I think, are bigger than the one in the master. Just a lot more room. So you're giving up a little bit of space in the master in the living room, but these are still really good sized rooms for your kids, grandkids, guests. Everyone will have enough space. Same exact bathroom in the other home, single vanity, shower with the bathtub. And same thing with this bedroom over here, same as the other one. Still feels pretty wide open, very good closet. What I do love about these rooms though is you have an amazing view of the mountains. It's not hindered by any houses, but it is beautiful. You can see the mountains up there. Right now they have some beautiful snow on them. It just looks so pretty. But again, good sized bedrooms. You're giving up a little bit of room in the living room and the master, but if that's okay with you, then this is a cheaper option and it's a lot easier to take care of. So we've seen 2 of the amazing models in this neighborhood. We're in Ekko View Estates. Before we get to the 3rd one, which is just down the street, let's do a little bit of a recap. We've talked about one of the models being 1,700 square feet, a little bit bigger of a master, a little bit more room in the living area. The smaller model, you're kind of giving those things up, but it's super easy to take care of. But what I love about this neighborhood is it is maintained by an HOA. So you don't have parking on the street. Your front landscape is totally taken care of by the HOA. There will be a private clubhouse for the whole subdivision when the subdivision is complete. So that is also super nice. And the HOA fee is only $50 a month. So you're not paying a huge fee to have all of these great amenities. Other than that though, you're in a really good area. You're 10 minutes from downtown Cedar City. So you're far away from town, that it's a lot more quiet, it's a lot more peaceful, but also it's not a very long drive for you to get into town and do your shopping, go out to eat, go to SUU for events. you are really close to enjoy all of those things. But you have your own privacy, you have really good neighbors. So that is a super great thing about this neighborhood. Now, going up to our final model home, it's a little bit different than the other ones that we have seen. So I'm super excited to show it to you, the unique things that the builder has done. So let's take a look at our third and final home. All right, we're on our third and final home of the day. As we walk through it, you're gonna find that it's really similar to the first home that we saw. It's the same square footage, has the same exact layout, same exact kitchen. Everything is exactly the same except one thing. I told you that there was a really cool different feature about this home, and I think that it is so good. So remember in the last home, this was all wide open. It was super big. And it kind of felt like it was almost too big for a home this size. So what they've done in this home is they have added this lovely doorway here, and you have a whole nother room. Now, this isn't necessarily considered a bedroom because there's not a closet or windows, but it can be so many things. It can be a theater room. You can have a projector up here or over here. It can be your man cave. You can put a bar type thing in here. It could be a playroom for your kids or grandkids. The possibilities really are endless. So I think that this is super awesome that they added this separate room for you to do whatever you want. But it doesn't take away from your living space in there. You still have plenty of room out there. So this is really cool. So to recap today's video, we saw 3 really spectacular homes. The first one that we saw, 1,700 square feet, really large living area, good master bedroom and bathroom with a really good price. The second one we saw was a little bit smaller. It was just over 1,400 square feet. Had a little smaller master bedroom and a little smaller living area. A lot easier to deal with and clean and keep up with, but again, for a really good price point. And this last home that we went through, exact same layout as the first one, except it had the added bonus room, theater room, man cave, whatever you want to call it. So 3 really good homes with unique finishes, unique things to them. So that's what's so nice about this neighborhood is that you get to choose kind of what you're going for. If you like the bigger model with the extra room, or if you like the more living space, or if you like the smaller model, this subdivision gives you a lot of good options. These are currently listed with Jason and Kason Spencer of Stratum Real Estate. They are so awesome, and shout out to them for letting us do this video. Other than that, the homes in this area are ranging from $385,000, which is the second home we saw, up to $420,000, which is the third model home that we saw. So again, the price ranges range a good bit to match what you are going for. Other than that, if you're interested in this neighborhood, you have questions, or if you want to check it out for yourself, my contact info will be in the description, so please reach out to me. I'll answer any questions that you might have. Along with that, if you enjoyed today's video, feel free to hit the like button, comment down below what model was your favorite, what you liked about this neighborhood, and if there's other types of content that you want to see of here in Cedar City. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.